This is a tutorial on how to use discussion board to submit your article analysis, speech, presentation, and visual. Evidently, students are having a little difficulty with VoiceThread, so I think that using discussion board might be a better fit. To do this, you're going to go to our weekly assignments, week 13. I have put in a discussion board link for our article analysis speech presentation. So you're going to click on that. When that opens, you are going to go to the command that says create thread. In the subject, you'll identify your topic. You can just say that this is the article analysis speech, or you could give the title of your article, whatever you would choose. Then in the message box, you are going to want to make a link to your video of your speech. Now, if you're going to use discussion board, you are going to have to create a video. I would suggest using your phone if you have that capability, or if your computer allows you to do that. Sometimes you need software, but if you can use your phone, that might be the easiest way. You're going to have to upload it to YouTube and then find the URL for that video. So if I go up to my YouTube, I'll go and copy this link to my video. And then I'm going to paste it here. Oops, can't do it that way. I have to use the Control V. And I've pasted it in the message box. Now, it's still not a link. So what you want to do is highlight it, go up to the link tool icon, and then you'll copy that URL again here in the link path. It's important that you also click that this is going to open in a new window. I think if you don't do that, it will prompt you to make that choice. And then click Insert. And now you can see that it's a link. You'll also need to give us your visual. If you used something that was cloud-based, Google Slides or Prezi or some other form, you're going to do the same thing that you're doing with your video. So here I have a Prezi. I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to go back to my thread and use Control V to paste it. I'm going to highlight that, click the link icon, copy my URL again, choose the drop down for open in a new window, and insert. And now I have my video and my visual. With the discussion board, you do have the option of using PowerPoint, which you cannot use in VoiceThread. To attach a PowerPoint, you use the attach command in the discussion board. And so I have made just a real brief sample PowerPoint. So I'm going to browse my computer. I'm going to go find that PowerPoint, open it, and I'll see that it's here. And then I'm going to click Submit. So here you can see in discussion board that I have posted my article analysis speech. When you go into my thread, you'll see those links as well as the attachment for the PowerPoint. And they should all work. So you click the YouTube, that will take you to my little sample speech. If you click the Prezi, that will take you to my Prezi visual, and I'll let it load just so you can see it. So there you can see my Prezi. Or if you decided to use a PowerPoint, you're going to click that link and it will open up your PowerPoint. Now, if you do use, see if I can exit out of this. Okay, if you do use discussion board, and other students do as well, part of your assignment is to respond to 2 speeches. So what you can do is look to see if other students have posted their items. You can view them, and then you can click reply, and then here you can make your comments. And I'm not going to take too much time, but you should have 3 sentences altogether in your response, and click submit. So now if I were to go to that forum, I would see that there are now 2 posts because not only is my information there, but also the reply. Okay, hopefully this will be an easier method for some of you. Feel free to use this instead of VoiceThread.